Have you ever wondered what would happen if you started eating just 4 cashews every single day? Well, today, I'm taking you on a quick journey through the nutty world of cashews where science meets snack time. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized health insights. All right, let's crack open a little history first. Did you know cashews are actually seeds, not nuts? Native to Brazil, cashews have been enjoyed for centuries, traveling across continents in the pockets of explorers and traders. Today, they're a global snack star and a secret weapon in many plant-based kitchens. Now, what happens when you eat 4 cashews a day? Let's break it down. First up, nutrition. Each little cashew is loaded with healthy fats, protein, and a serious dose of micronutrients, think magnesium, copper, and zinc. These micronutrients play a huge role in keeping our bodies energized, our bones strong, and our brains sharp. Speaking of brains, cashews are packed with healthy fats that help your mind stay focused and your mood balanced. Magnesium, in particular, is like a superhero for your nervous system, helping with everything from sleep to stress relief. So next time you're feeling a bit frazzled, maybe reach for a handful of cashews instead of that extra coffee. But wait, there's more. The heart loves cashews too. Studies show that a small daily dose can help lower bad cholesterol and boost good cholesterol, giving your cardiovascular system a little extra armor. And let's not forget bone health thanks to all that magnesium and copper. Your bones are getting a daily boost too. Now, I'll be honest, sticking to a healthy diet isn't always easy. Life is busy, choices are everywhere, and let's face it, sometimes we just want chips. But adding a few cashews to your day, that's a snack-sized step anyone can take. And here's where it gets exciting. Researchers are now exploring cashew-based supplements and even more sustainable ways to farm cashews. Imagine getting all these benefits in new, eco-friendly forms, all while supporting the planet. So whether you're looking to boost your brain, strengthen your bones, or just enjoy a smarter snack, 4 cashews a day might be a tiny change with a big payoff. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about small, delicious steps toward a healthier you. Thanks for joining me on this nutty adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today. See you in the next one.